everyone, welcome to a new episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Heidi and today we're talking about Ethereum and the latest DeFi hack and how you can avoid it. So please, avoid future DeFi hacks. Before I get into that, guys, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and check out our CT Club. A link for it is down below in the video description. You can check out our portfolio, trade alerts, our take on what's happening in the crypto market that day, a lot of insight of what we're doing with crypto and why, and additionally, I think even more valuable is the community that is growing there. And there's also a Discord down below in the video description as well, free Discord. Get to talk and make some crypto friends. I think you'll be better for it. So let's talk about today's topic, Ethereum. I'll talk about that one first. So Ethereum recently, for the first time ever, published publicly what their treasury fund was comprised of. And 80% of their fund is made up of Ethereum. And the amount of Ethereum in that fund, let me see how much it's worth exactly so I can give you guys some numbers. $1.6 billion is in their treasury fund. 80% of that is made up of Ethereum. Now, are you thinking, oh my gosh, they have such a centralized supply of Ethereum. They have the majority supply of Ethereum? No. The amount of Ethereum that the Ethereum Foundation Treasury Fund holds is 0.297% of the total Ethereum supply. So there's a lot of people who have been saying, the Ethereum fund, they move funds from their cold wallet onto exchanges and they're going to dump on the price. That's an interesting strategy for those of you who want to know when you think the top of Ethereum is going to be. Check out when the Ethereum fund, treasury fund, the Ethereum Foundation Treasury Fund rebalances, because what they're doing is they're taking profits, rightfully so, and moving their profits into maybe a more stable option to ride out the bear market or a long-term downtrend of, let's say, Ethereum. Markets happen in cycles for a reason, because people see profits, they take profits, they put selling pressure on the market for doing so, and that does eventually drive the price down, and then once they see the price is down enough, they can buy back again and ride it up again. This is why markets have cycles, period. A lot of people think, shame on the Ethereum fund for dumping on the market right at the peak. What they're doing is ensuring the ability to fund the development of the Ethereum network, layer one solutions, scalability, sharding, all of these things that are coming together with this new merge happening with Ethereum is able to happen because they're savvy with their investments. Now, for those of you who are looking for a little insider information of when the top of Ethereum is, what I was saying before, the Treasury Fund has systematically taken out at the top of Ethereum every time. They called the 2017 top, they called the top in, was it May 2021 and again in November 2021. So pay attention to that. Maybe if you guys are looking for when to take profits on Ethereum, let's see what the Ethereum Treasury Fund is. Now, again, next topic we're gonna go over is the DeFi hack that happened. Let's see if I can find it here. Beanstalk loses $180 million in an exploit, and the hacker gains $80 million. The hacker did donate some funds to the Ukrainian crypto donation fund, $250,000 worth. But here's what happened. These developers knowingly published their code with a vulnerability for flash loans. Flash loans happen in 2019 and 2020 all over DeFi, time and again. And so it being an open source community, these vulnerabilities are not a mystery. And I think that was definitely maybe a rush to launch to maybe make some profits. Also, with the amount of auditing companies out there, they didn't have their code audited. These are huge red flags, especially for a new DeFi platform. I know that usually these DeFi platforms, they incentivize you to join by offering really high APYs, like sometimes really crazy APYs, and you can benefit from it. But if you're not careful and you don't understand the risk and you go irresponsibly long into these smart contracts, into these DeFi platforms, for the APY, you can get wrecked. And these people did, because Beanstalk wasn't backed by any VC. There isn't any huge whale yet, I don't think, to bail them out. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is certainly a developing news story, so feel free to leave a comment down below if I'm, a little bit dated in my info here. But anyway, here's the big thing is, like, there's lots of ways for you as an investor and as a participant in DeFi to see these red flags and avoid them. Yeah, you can get swayed by these huge APYs, but if you lose it all within a couple weeks, what's the point? There's definitely a lot of risk-reward balancing here in the meantime. And this brings me to my topic for my CT Club members. If you guys are watching, I'm gonna post a new class on the CT Club going over DeFi, how to identify a red flag DeFi, really digging deep into it. It's probably going to be a 30 to 45 minute class. Timestamps will be included, of course. So if you guys want to check that out, if you want to know how to avoid situations like this and avoid getting wrecked, because I don't think that the investors are getting repaid here, I think this class can help you out a lot. Anyway, that's going to wrap it up for today's episode. If you guys enjoyed this, hit the like button, hit subscribe. I'll see you again tomorrow. My name's Heidi. This is Crypto Tips. Okay, bye.